I have 4 pieces of fabric here, which is 11 by 14 inches, 11 inches wide and 14 inches long. You can make yours 7 by 10 inches, 10 by 14 inches, depend on the amount of fabric you have. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 pieces. But I want this pocket to be really deep, that's why I'm using 11 by 14 inches. Now I'm going to take 2 pieces out of this and start working with the remaining 2. I'm cutting both pockets together. So you take one of the front pieces of your trouser. You know it's always in 4 pieces, 2 pieces for front and 2 pieces for back. And you have to fix the pocket before you join all the pieces together. So here I am taking one of the front pieces. It always have 2 sides, the crotch line and the side seam. Here is a crotch line and here is the side seam. So this is where you're going to be fixing your pockets on both sides. So I'm placing this gently on the 2 pieces that I have. Just make sure it's well placed on each other, and you'll be trimming off this excess on top. That is because of that 1 inch you cut to make your trouser sit properly on your waist in front. That is that 1 inch you'll be cutting out. So that is the excess. You want it to blend very well in front. After then, you're going to mark 3 inches or measure 3 inches on the waist, and you measure 8 inches on the side seam. And you're just going to be connecting this 8 inches plus this 3 inches. Now you can decide the type of shape that you want. You can make it slanted, something like this, and just make a straight line. You can curve it, something like this. Don't want this to be showing too much because this is the right side of the fabric. So you can make it something like this as well. Can create any shape that you want for your pocket. But I'll just be using this method, this slanted one. That is what I'll be using. And you cut. After cutting, you take one piece which is going to be for the other side, for the other pocket. You lay it back, lay the front back, and just put this on it. Right side of your pocket facing the right side of your trouser. So just going to pin, take it to your seam machine and run a straight stitch. After you stitch it together, you're just going to fold it on it like this. Fold it inside, the pocket goes inside, and you're just going to run a straight stitch like this just to make it flat. Just a straight stitch, that's all. I did it here already on the second pocket. Let me show you again. You know, this was like this. We went ahead and top stitch it. After I top stitch it, I just folded it inside. After folding it inside, I just top stitch this place. You can see how neat and flat this is becoming. After then, the other 2 pieces that remain, you're going to take one. You remember we didn't cut any 3 inches out of this place, and place this on it, making sure the right sides of the pockets are facing each other. Pin your fabrics together. Now, what you're going to have here is going to be 3 inches that you cut out from this front. You're going to have the 3 inches back. You can take your measurement again and confirm. You can see 3 inches. Leave that. Then just fold the rest of your material to make it easy for you to access the back. Fold it on it like this. Now, take your chalk. Fold it. Just take your chalk and just curve. Just make a curve and just trim off the excess. take it to your sewing machine and just stitch from here to this place. You're going to stitch this place as well to secure both the pocket and the main fabric together. You stitch this place to this place and here all around. Now I have stitched this place all around. I've closed it and I also top stitch this place as well. So if you unfold your trouser, you're going to have your pocket. Go ahead and top stitch this place if you want, and if you don't, you can just place your back piece on it and close it. Go on a straight stitch all the way down. It's going to be closed. I did the same for the other piece as well. As you can see, I just top stitch this place all around, and this is our pocket, as you can see. So I am just joining the front and the back pieces of the trouser together. I want you to say it because of the pocket, and that is after I joined it on the crotch line. So this is just me matching the two side seams together and run a straight stitch on both sides. And the pocket is ready. Can you see that? I want you to see the end result. It is very easy to make and it's super fast. Can you see that? This is very deep as well and it's really looking beautiful at the end. If you find this video really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video as well, and drop your comment if you have any. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.